Hello friends, I'm Lokesh, your mentor at mentorbuddy.com. We have a question based on time and work. It says 12 men can complete a piece of work in 4 days, while 15 women can complete the same work in 4 days. 6 men start working on the job, and after working for 2 days, all of them stopped working. How many women should be put on the job to complete the remaining work if it is to be completed in 3 days? So now let us see how we can approach this question. First of all, it is given that 12 men can complete a piece of work in 4 days. So if I assume let M and W is the work done by a man and a woman, therefore if it is given that 12 men, so therefore the work done by 12 men is equal to 12m can do a work in 4 days. So if they work for 4 days, that is men days, they finish the work. And similarly, if 15 women work for 4 days, they finish the work. So total work in both the cases should be same. So if I cancel off the things, I'll be getting 3 times of m is equal to, or I would say 4 times in fact, because if we are cancelling off with 3, I get 4 times of m is equal to 5 times of w. I will be using this equation at a later stage. Now it is given that 6 men start working on the job, and after working for 2 days all of them stopped working. So in 6 men working for 2 days, they finished this much of the work, and the remaining work should be done by the women. And the question is, how many women should be put on the job? So if there are X women put on the job and they work for 3 days as it is given in the question, so the work gets finished. Now when we say work get finished, it can either be 12m into 4 or it can be 15w into 4. So I'll just put the value either of them. If I say 12m multiplied by 4. So now what happens if I solve this equation, I'll be getting 12m plus 3xw is equal to 48m, which can also be written as 3xw is equal to 48m minus 12m, and this comes out to 36 times of m. So I can say xw is equal to 36m upon 3, which becomes 12 times of m. Now since we know this, that m 4m is equal to 5w, so if I replace the value of m with 5w by 4, I'll be getting 4 3s are 12, and w gets cancelled, so I can rewrite it as xw is equal to 15 times of w, and when w gets cancelled I get the value of x as 15. So now we can say that the remaining work was done by women in 15 days, or I would say 15 women finished the remaining work in 3 days, and therefore answer to your question becomes 15 women. That is option number 1. So this is how easily we can solve such a question. I hope everyone has understood the concept and the solution. Thank you.